Hello everyone. The video below shows how to create a voluminous rib stitch with a unique texture. This stitch pattern consists of relief vertical pads of 2 loops separated by 2 divider loops. The pattern comprises 4 loops and 4 rows. At the base of the embossed vertical tracks are 2 main and 3 additional long loops. You will see the scheme in the upper left corner of the screen. The repeat part is in the square brackets. To begin, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 4. Add 2 loops for symmetry and 2 edge loops. At the start, knit 3 rows of 2 by 2 ribbing, beginning from the right side. The first row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 2, purl 2. Again, knit 2, purl 2. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2. The second row is on the right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, knit 2. Pull up a long loop between the loops 3 rows down, and knit 1. Pull up a loop, knit 1, and pull up a loop. Now, we have 5 loops in the main part of the knit. Again, knit 2, pull up a loop, knit 1, pull up a loop, knit 1, and pull up a loop. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2. The third row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 2, slip 1 with thread in front, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, and slip 1. Again, knit 2, slip 1, purl 1. Slip 1, purl 1, and slip 1. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2. The fourth row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 2. Then, we will create 2 decreases with the next 5 loops. Once to the left, making from these 3 loops 1, and once to the right. Where the first loop is this long loop in the middle. In the first part, slip one loop as if to knit, knit two loops together, and pass the loop through the first one. In the second part, we will create the decrease with the slope to the right. Lift the middle long loop to the right hook, knit one, and pass the loop through the lifted. Return the loop to the left hook and pass it through the last one. Now, out of 5 loops, we have 2. Again, knit 2, decrease from 3 to 1 to the left, lift 1, and decrease from 3 to 1 to the right. At the end of the row, out of the scheme, knit 2. When knitting in the round, we will knit all rows on the right side, and there will be no edge loops and stitches for symmetry. To begin, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 4. On the first row, we knit according to a new scheme, purl 2, and knit 2. The second row remains the same. On the third row, we knit according to a new scheme, purl 2, slip 1, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, and slip 1. The fourth row remains the same. On this screen, you can see both variation schemes for knitting, flat and knitting in the round. You can capture them by pausing the video and taking a screenshot with the print screen button. In conclusion, this unique knitted pattern creates a voluminous canvas, making it suitable for cozy winter sweaters, cardigans, scarves, and hats. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.